Hello friends, today our topic will cover three questions of the Fatek PLC. It is a very basic question of the programmer. What is the memory bit and data register in the Fatek PLC? Second one is the how many type of the data register in Fatek PLC. And last one is the what are ranges, memory bit and data register of Fatek PLC. So in this lecture we will cover three questions and we also do practical in the software. Now first one is the what is the memory bit and data register in the Fatek PLC. Memory bit is a symbol is M. It's also called internal relay. It's word like same as output, but internal relay can use only in software during programming, but cannot use in hardware like output. So its behavior like same output of the PLC, but we cannot use its hardware. Like in output of the PLC, we can use as a hardware, we can connect the wire with the output. But in memory bit, we can use in only programming. I will do in practical in software in this lecture. Second one, the data register. Its symbol is also D and R. It's used for moving and storing the process data in PLC. If we want to store any data like any numerical value, we can use this data registers. Second question is how many type of the data register in it Fatek PLC. As other PLC, Fatek PLC have retentive and non-retentive data register. Okay, there are two type of the data register. One is the non-retentive and one is the retentive. In retentive data register, data will not lose if PLC power off. If during programming, during running of the PLC, if power will be off, then this type of a register will not lose its data. It will store its current data. In non-retentive data register, data will be lost if PLC power off. Okay. We can change the spelling. Retentive is also called retentive. Okay. Now last one is the what is the range of the data register and memory bits. Range in given software. Let's see on the software. We will move the software. WinPro ladder is the Fatek PLC software. Go to new project. We will choose FFBS 24 points is our PLC model. This is the memory bit. And data register. Topic. Okay. Now first I will tell you about the ranges. Go to memory allocation and press OK. Our last question is the what are ranges of the data register and memory bit. So I will tell you in software. You can see this is the internal relay. Is also called memory bit. Okay. And there are three type of the internal relay. First one is the retentive. This is a retentive. It can store the value and don't lose the value if power will be off of the PLC. This is from M800 to M3099. And this is the internal relay from 0 to 799 and it total 800. This is the non-retentive. It can lose its value when your power of the PLC will be loose. The special relay is data relay in which designer has a specific values. These are step relays and other over is data register is the R. Okay, this is a data register, and you can see R, D both are data register. This is a retentive data register, and this is a no retentive data register. Okay, now I will make a program in which I will use memory bit and also data register, and in this programming I will tell you about the how to use memory bit and how to use data register for moving the data. So first I will take input x0, x1, x3 and x2. Okay, use the vertical and use memory bit m0. Okay, now again m0, this is our memory bit, same like output, and one input more x5. Again I will use m1. Okay, now I will take m1 as the input, and now I will use function command, and this is a move MOV and press OK. This is a moving command, and we can move the data from one place to another place. S means this is the source, and D means is the destination. So I will let's 500. I want to move to data register R1. Okay, I use move command and move the data move the data 500 to R1 data register. Okay, and another M0 input and M1 also as an input, and go to function, use the MOV command, function, sorry, I will delete this one. No, take the function again, I place here MOV, like I will move R1. We can use the data register in source and move the data R7. Okay, now in this program I am using memory bits. I have stored the all this condition to only M0, and this memory, this logic have to save in M1. So by these two logics, two memory bit M0, M1, I can use any other logic, like I am moving the data from source to destination. I am moving the data from S1, S is the source 500 to R1, and in this I am moving the data from R1 to R7, both are data register. So go to the PLC and go to simulation. Okay, I will open the status new page, status page, and I want to monitor R1 and R2. Okay, already in R1 having 400 value. okay, and R2 has a 0 value. Sorry, I am have used R7, so I will place this R7. Both are data register. Okay, now I will on my inputs. Sorry, go to run the PLC and go to in on, also on this your M0 is on. Okay, this memory bit is on. Now I will use on the X0 also, sorry, X5, and you can see is M1 also on, and all the conditions okay, and 500 it moved to R1. You can see 500 is moved in R1 data register, and second is the value of R1 is moved to R7. So R7 also has a 500 value. So in this way we can do use the data register, and memory bit is a very important programming. And if you make the very in industrial point of view, when you make any a complex program, then you have to use memory bit is very useful item. And move command, you can move the data from any data register to another data register. Okay, if you have any question in this lecture, you can raise a question on the comment box. Okay, bye.